15 things men find very attractive in women. There are certain things that men find very attractive in women. While these things may vary from man to man, there are some general characteristics that most men find appealing. If you want to be more attractive and attract men easily, then it is important to know what these things are. In this video, we will show you the top 15 things that men find very attractive in women. And if you stay to the end, we will give you a bonus tip that will make you irresistible to most men. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Intelligence. A study by the University of Buffalo found that men are more attracted to women who are intelligent. The researchers asked men to rate the attractiveness of different women based on their intelligence level. They found that men were more attracted to women who they perceived to be more intelligent. This doesn't mean that you have to be a genius to be attractive to men. But it does mean that being smart and showing that you are intelligent can make you more attractive. Number 2. Kindness. When you first meet a man, he will be attracted to your physical appearance. But as he gets to know you, he will start to appreciate your other qualities. One of the things that men find most attractive in women is kindness. Showing kindness shows that you are a good person. Not only is this attractive to men, but it is also attractive to everyone. Another thing to keep in mind is that men are afraid of rejection. So, if you are kind to him, he will feel more comfortable around you and be more likely to want to get to know you better. Number 3. Confidence. It's no secret that confidence is attractive. Men are attracted to confident women. This is because confidence shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you know what you want. A confident woman is also not afraid to take risks. This shows that you are adventurous and that you are not afraid to try new things. Men find this very attractive. Number 4. A sense of humor. In a study done by the University of Kansas, it was found that men are more attracted to women who have a sense of humor. The study asked men to rate the attractiveness of different women based on their sense of humor. The results showed that men found women who were fun to be more attractive. Having a sense of humor shows that you are easygoing and that you can take a joke. It also shows that you are confident and that you are not afraid to laugh at yourself. Men find this very attractive. Number 5. Independence. There's nothing more attractive to a man than a woman who is independent. This means that you are not needy and that you can take care of yourself. An independent woman is also not afraid to speak her mind. This shows that you are confident and that you are not afraid to stand up for yourself. Men find this quality almost irresistible. It also shows that you have your own life and that you are not afraid to live it without a man. This will create a sense of mystery and make you more attractive to men. Number 6. Passionate about something. Men are attracted to women who are passionate about something. This can be anything from your career to your hobbies. When you are passionate about something, it shows that you are driven and that you have goals. It also shows that you are not afraid to go after what you want because you know that you are worth it. Passion is also a sign of confidence. So don't be afraid to show your passion and let the man you are with see what you are really made of. Number 7. Takes care of herself. If you are someone who takes care of herself, then you are probably already aware of how attractive this is to men. When you take care of yourself, it shows that you are healthy and that you value your appearance. It also shows that you have self-respect and that you love yourself. All of these things are very attractive to men. So make sure that you are taking care of yourself both physically and mentally. Number 8. Emotionally mature. We all know that men hate drama. This is because they are attracted to women who are emotionally mature. An emotionally mature woman is someone who is able to handle her emotions in a healthy way. She is not afraid to express her feelings, but she also knows how to keep things in perspective. This shows that you are able to handle a relationship in a mature way. It also shows that you are not afraid to communicate your needs. Men find this very attractive. Number 9. Comfortable in her own skin. Many women feel like they need to change themselves in order to be more attractive to men. Men, on the other hand, are drawn to women who are at ease in their own skin. This means that you are confident and that you love yourself just the way you are. It also shows that you are not afraid to be judged, which means that you are not afraid to be yourself. Men find this quality very attractive because it shows that you are secure in yourself. Number 10. Physical appearance. Men are visual creatures, which means that they are attracted to women based on their physical appearance. This doesn't mean that you need to be supermodel material in order to be attractive. However, it does mean that you should take care of yourself and make sure that you look your best. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, it shows. So, make sure that you are taking care of your physical appearance if you want to be more attractive to men. Number 11. Calmness. In many studies, it has been shown that men are attracted to women who are calm. This is because calmness is a sign of emotional stability. This is related to the point of emotional maturity. However, being calm and being emotionally mature are not the same thing. A calm woman is someone who does not get worked up over things that are not worth getting worked up over. Men find this quality attractive because it shows that you are not going to cause drama in their lives. Number 12. Loyalty. If you're looking for a long-term relationship, then you need to be loyal. Men are attracted to women whom they know they can trust. Loyalty is about being faithful to your partner. It's about being there for them when they need you. And it's about being committed to the relationship. Men find this quality attractive because it shows that you are someone they can count on, and they will know that they can trust you with their hearts. Number 13. Optimistic. Most men avoid pessimistic women like the plague. This is because they want to be with someone who is optimistic and who sees the glass half full. Optimism is attractive to men because it shows that you are a positive person. It also shows that you are someone who is grateful for what they have. And it shows that you believe things will work out for the best, which is very reassuring to men. Number 14. Respect and honesty. This is a no-brainer. Men find respect and honesty to be two of the most attractive things in a woman. If you can be respectful and honest with him, then he will find you very attractive. You don't need to be brutally honest all the time, but you should always be respectful. And if you are honest with him, then he will trust you and find you more attractive. And for those of you who have made it this far in the video, here's the bonus tip as we promised. Number 15. She doesn't seek his attention. You know that girl who is always fishing for compliments and attention from guys. The one who is always trying to be the center of attention and is always fishing for compliments. Yes, she's not as attractive as she thinks she is. In fact, guys are often turned off by girls who are always seeking their attention. What guys find much more attractive is a girl who is confident and secure in herself. A girl who doesn't need their attention to feel good about herself. A girl who is happy and content with her own life. This kind of girl is much more attractive to guys because she seems like someone who is worth their attention and time. A man loves challenges, and a confident woman is a challenge. They want to see if they can win her over and make her feel good about herself. A woman who is always fishing for compliments is an easy target and not as much of a challenge. So if you want to attract more men, work on being confident and secure in yourself. Let them come to you instead of always going after them. Conclusion. As you can see, there are many things men find attractive in women. And most of these things apply to both genders. The things to remember are to be yourself, be confident, and be happy with your own life. These are things that will not only make you more attractive to men, but will also make you happier in general. So go out there and start being the best you that you can be, because you're beautiful just the way you are. Finally, if you think understanding men is hard, then you should definitely learn how to trigger their hero instinct. The best way to learn about this amazing psychology is by checking out the first link in the description right now. It's a powerful psychology guide that will teach you exactly how to make a man fall in love with you using reverse male psychology. To learn more, check out our other videos that you see on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.